carbon dioxide emissions are the primary driver of global climate change. CO2 concentrations are rising, mostly because of the fossil fuels that people are burning for energy. As greenhouse gas emissions blanket the Earth, they trap the sun's heat. This leads to global warming and climate change. The world is now warming faster than at any point in recorded history. According to a United Nations report, glaciers and ice sheets in polar and mountain regions are already melting faster than ever, causing sea levels to rise. Besides that, increasing atmospheric temperature and CO2 increase the ground-level ozone concentration, which can damage people's lung tissue and cause complications for asthma patients and those with lung diseases. Climate change results in soil degradation, which has caused 500 million people today to live in areas affected by erosion, while up to 30% of food is lost or wasted as a result. A wide range of measures have been carried out to reduce carbon emissions today. For example, Zero Carbon Blueprint in the USA, 13th Five-Year Plan for Electricity in China, and Nationally Determined Contribution in India. At a personal level, what can we do to reduce CO2 emissions? The best way is planting. As plants and trees grow, they take CO2 from the atmosphere and turn it into sugars through photosynthesis. If every one of America's 85 million gardening households planted just one young shade tree in their backyard or community, those trees would absorb more than 2 million tons of CO2 each year. Obviously, planting buys us time to slow climate change.
So how can we make sure people plant the right way and feel excited about it? UG Life is going to deal with this. In order to utilize current technology, we have designed our gardening pot, which consists of solar panels and sensors which detect pH, temperature, and humidity of soil. This information collected from sensors will be displayed on the pot and sent to users' cell phones. The UG Life app helps users to understand how to do planting effectively. It is a platform which provides required knowledge and all materials for planting. Firstly, it works together with the sensor and will notify the users when there is an unusual condition of the plant, such as low pH, dry soil, etc. Secondly, the virtual gardening assistance and notification systems provide personalized watering and care instructions, such as amount of water needed based on soil condition, plant development, and forecasted weather conditions. Fourthly, the image analysis provides identification of pest infestation and provides treatment recommendations accordingly. Finally, people can keep track and share their interesting planting journey with other gardeners in our community. UG helps to build a green and healthy society. Create your personal green environment with UG.